What is up, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be showing off my new keyboard, the Razer Huntsman Mini Pro V3, and I'm also going to be comparing it to my old keyboard, my SteelSeries Apex Pro TKO. Alright guys, I will say, I've just got this keyboard today, so I'm not very used to it, but just bear with me, and yeah. But this keyboard, like, personally, I can tell it has so much less delay, a lot faster than my Apex Pro. Like, I'm not used to it, and so I'm missing my edits, but like, the actuation and like delay on this thing is absolutely insane. Barely gotta press my keyboard to jump. This one's just wrong. T is my emote button.
I love to sing.
Really, all you gotta push. All the pressure you gotta apply to this key. Of course, I got my actuation all the way down, because who wouldn't? But I can tell how much less delay, how much faster this keyboard is. I've been on it for like, I free built with it earlier for a little bit, and then I free built with it a little bit right before I built when I started recording this video. But like, as you can see, I'm not completely used to it, and like I still mess up my edits on it because I'm not used to fasters yet. But once I get used to it, I'll be moving. Yeah, mod count real quick. As you can tell, I'm pretty used to this keyboard after using it for 2 years. But one of the main things I like more about the Huntsman is like the keys are a lot easier to press, but they don't have as much resistance. But like, this keyboard feels like a little bit more delayed than the other one does. Yeah. not so pleasant background audio, guys. I apologize. Synapse and Chroma to change like your actuation and stuff. You'll go here and it's customize. Like this is just basic stuff like game mode. You can disable Windows key, Alt F4, and that kind of stuff. You can also remap your WASD keys to emulate like a controller, and this is to like test it, as well as Hypershift. I don't really know what that does, but here's where everything matters. This is the actuation. So you go select all keys. Right. Anyways, do that. Right here, this is your rapid trigger. I have mine at 0.1 millimeters. Right here is your actuation. So if we turn our actuation all the way down, I have to press my spacebar all the way down to get that jump. I gotta push my W key all the way down, and my S key, I gotta push all the way down. And then all the way up, sync, right, go here, classical, barely touch my spacebar. Go to Studio right here. They have there's different like things you can use. You can make layers, which is what I have on my keyboard. I have the ripple on mine because I like it. That's what I have on my Apex Pro, as you can see. Like press the key, goes out. Here, quick selections, right? Click all and change this stuff. Never save now. Can't see it, but turn the speed up. Color, I want white. Static is like how you change like your default color. If I go here, save, keyboard goes blue. The software for the Apex Pro TKO, personally, I like it more, but it's just easier to navigate, really. So like right here, you have your configs, profiles. Right here is your key bindings, you can change these. Like if I wanted S to be T, you can change that. And then you have your macro editor, where you can make your macros. Right? Then these, I don't really know what this means. Anyways, this is the important stuff. Rapid trigger sensitivity. Have that all the way down, as low as it'll go. My rapid trigger is on for all of my keys, as you can see. You can change your actuation to 4 all the way down to 0.1, which is what I recommend you have it at. You can do dual bindings. I've never messed around with that. Dual actuation as well. Your illumination. Do it like single color. You can change it throughout here. See, now my keyboard's that. And then press. Yeah, my ripple is still there. You can always get rid of your reactive layer. See, like this one is just the same room as you hit the key. This one is like the key that I press fades white. As y'all can see, I mean, fades back to color. Pretty explanatory. I prefer ripple though. That's what I've always used. And then right here, you can change your OLED screen. So you can either like write with your mouse, like so. See, right there. You should definitely follow my TikTok and Twitch. Clear. You can also upload images. Like if I was to do my profile picture for YouTube, see, Chrollo. Obviously can't really tell. It's like black and white. But like you can also do this. Dither. Kinda just makes it look better. Like gets rid of these like contrast dots. Makes it one solid image. It's just personal preference for everybody. I personally don't mess with my OLED. Because also my OLED is it's a little bit messed up. But that is the software for the SteelSeries Apex Pro. As well as like it's got, can clip for you and stuff. Like SteelSeries GG's got more than just this stuff, like more than just the engine. You do sonar, like moments, 3D aim trainer, all sorts of things. But personally, I've made a switch from my dusty scale to my Razer Huntsman V3 Pro Mini. Literally, I can jump without even having my space. That's how crazy the actuation is. Set it there. Like I said though, I've not gotten used to it yet. Like the speed of it. and everything. That just got it today. But like, it feels so much faster and responsive. And that's coming from somebody who absolutely loved their Apex Pro. Like, I literally put all my friends onto it because I loved mine so much. I still do love mine. That's why I'm keeping it. But have a blessed day, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Like I said, comment what kind of keyboard y'all got. And yeah, peace everybody.